Good day, all my lovelies, and you're back here with Lady V, coming to do our second sew along with Tapestry Recon. As you can hear and see, I am not in my regular environment. I am actually in North Carolina visiting family, but that's not going to stop our sewing project. So if you're here, then you know we're about to take our second tapestry and turn it into something big, beautiful, and magnificent. Well, maybe not big, but it might be a short mini dress because we only have one tapestry, and I've noticed that they're about a yard and a bit more of fabric. So I think mini dresses are the things. So remember, if this is your first time here, my name's Victoria, also known as Lady V for Lady V Dynasty. If you're new or even old, remember, if you have not liked, shared, and subscribed yet, subscribe down below and hit that bell button so you'll get notifications every time I upload another video. All right, let's get to the tapestries. Oh my goodness, I look so tired, but that doesn't matter because we're going to do this video. All right, I have the tapestry, and this is going to be the cherry blossom one. So more than likely, since it's a bit thin, I'm probably going to add a lining. I don't know if it's going to be white or red, but it's possible it might end up being white. I just got to look in my lining basket to see if I have enough. So let me show you how big this is. Remember, I got this off of Amazon. This one was about $5.99. It also comes with the hinges to put it on the wall. So if you want to purchase one just to put on your wall or put up, then this will be perfect for you. If I can get them out of there. Yeah, they got these tiny little tacks. So yeah. They make it easier for you. And yes, it's made in China, but it ships out really quickly. Since I have a Prime account, it ships out pretty fast. So anyways, this is about a yard. It's got a cute little emblem on it. Let's see how big it is. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna make a mini dress. This beautiful dress I found off of Pinterest and I fell in love with it. I'm definitely thinking about going with the silhouette of it. Maybe not the sleeves, but I know I'm going to need ties and I'm going to need a zipper. So very excited. So I know y'all remember the dress that I showed you that I was inspired by. So this is a sketch that I did. So it's going to have that peasant girl look with the poof in the front. And if we had enough fabric, we would make these longer sleeves and maybe do a circle bell sleeve at the end. See how the back is open? I've loved the open back look, and they don't have ties to hold it together. But if we don't have enough fabric, it'll be smaller. So now we get into actually creating the muslin pattern, which is we're also going to use that as the lining. Sorry that it's kind of dark. I noticed that my lighting was very off and changing as I was trying to record. But it still worked out. I was able to see. I decided to speed this up because it really was taking a while. Sorry, the lighting in here is really, really bad. But all I'm doing right now is cutting out the pattern. Remember, always create you a muslin pattern. The muslin pattern I'm using is actually going to be the lining to the actual outfit. So you'll see as we go. Alright, so now we have our red lining and we have this opening where our poof is going to go to hold us in. We've got our 2 straps that'll connect to our open back strap. So you'll have straps in the front, straps in the back. That's what these 2 long strips are for. They'll connect to this after you sew it. And we'll also have a zipper that will go above the hip and down. It won't zip all the way down, but it'll be there. And we're going to have a strap of ribbon to tie. This is definitely a good spot for the zipper. And that'll what'll help cinch it in. But I got to sew these 2 pieces down to make a full piece. And here you have the lining and you have the actual fabric that's going to be on the outside. So we got our tapestry front. Let's see that with the cherry blossoms. And then we have the red lining. So this is going to look so fabulous after we're done sewing. I even had to put some darts in because I saw in the picture that it had darts. So let's sew. It gets really busy on in here. Okay, it's day 2. I thought I would finish yesterday, but that didn't happen. But it's alright, because we're almost there. I got the back situated. As you can see, the back piece is on. Now I just gotta finish serging the front and putting in the peasant poof piece. It's like a rectangular piece that needs a little bit of elastic and things like that, but you'll see. Alright, let's get to it. So now we're gathering. So you have to put elastic in this, elastic up here to gather this in for the peasant top. I gathered this with just a gathering steam, but I'm gonna put elastic up here, cut it down the middle, open it up so I have the tie part. That's that. And then for my small sleeves, I have the ruffle that's gonna go on the sleeve because we're gonna have a small sleeve. You know, something like that. Cute. As you see, I did my long width stitch, and now I'm just gathering it. See how it makes gathers? So all together. So as you can see, sometimes concepts just change. When you run out of fabric, then you just got to think of another way to utilize it, because our goal objective is to use all the fabric. And as you can see, I did go with a red lining. And this is the outside. You can see like this. And this is going to go in between here. It's hard to see right now, but you'll get it. You'll understand. Alright everyone, we made it this far. We done finished up a lot. We got our last bits of sewing to do. And then we'll be ready for the final reveal. Forgive the mess, because, I mean, when you have children, there's mess everywhere. But the show must go on. I feel this was a success, even though it took 2 days, because running around being mom and take care of things at the house as well as trying to sew at the same time, it still came out cute. I actually messed up in the back because I made the hole way too big, and so I had to add the lacing, but I actually like the lacing. So let me know if you like the lacing or you think it should be something else. Excuse me, I have a cough drop in my mouth because my throat was bothering me. So anyways, if you have any questions on how to make these items, or if you want to leave a comment about what you want me to try out next time, what materials to use, something that we haven't tried, like, just let me know. Leave a comment below. Also, anytime you want to see my videos, just come on YouTube and check them out. Don't forget, press that notification bell so that every time I post a video, you'll get a notification. Also, make sure you check out my Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest, because all of them are at Lady V Dynasty. Also, if you would like a custom-made piece, because I have custom-made pieces in my store, or I can actually create you a custom piece for your size, just contact me on my website page, and that is the Lady V Dynasty Boutique.com. Alright, I had fun doing this Tapestry Recon. This was our episode 2. Can't wait till our next episode, which will be episode 3, onto our 3rd tapestry. As you can see, my kids keep popping out acting like I'm going to leave them. Of course, I'm not. Hello, I'm shooting a video. But that's what comes with the territory when you're a mom. Alright, you guys have an amazing rest of your day. I look forward to seeing you in our next video. And I actually have a special video that I'm going to post about making a super fancy party dress. Stay tuned for that. So excited. Alright, this is Lady V Dynasty signing out. Talk to you soon. Bye, guys.